What's up, guys? This week, the slow cooker recipe list is adding a +1. That +1, super simple slow cooker chicken salsa verde. This one is great for meal prep, made with common ingredients and almost impossible to mess up. So let's jump right into it. Question of the day. If all things were equal, you can only pick one source of protein to eat for a year straight. What would it be? Drop it below. You're gonna start this one with 3 pounds of fat-trimmed and pat-dried chicken breast or thighs. Top of them, add 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, and half a teaspoon of salt. Flip your chicken around until all of your pieces are coated. From here, take out your slow cooker and place your chicken into the bottom of it. If you don't have a slow cooker, I'm going to link the one I've been using for the past decade below and on the website, which is also linked below and up here, that additionally has metric conversions, substitutes, and more. On top of that, add a chopped up onion and 24 ounces of your favorite Salsa Verde. Put on your lid and let that cook on high heat for 3 to 4 hours or low heat for 6 to 7 hours. You want your chicken to cook to at least 165. Once that's done, use 2 forks to shred your chicken by pulling it apart like this. To make it even easier, you can remove it first, but I usually shred it right in the slow cooker and it takes maybe a few minutes max. Last, which is optional to thicken it up a bit and make it creamier, I like to throw in half a cup plain Greek yogurt or light sour cream. Finish with some dried or fresh cilantro. Give it a mix and let it sit for around 20 minutes over low heat. In the end, it should look like this. Tips for this one. Number 1, once you portion it out, I make 6 servings. You can eat it as is in a taco or make high protein bowls with it. Number 2, if you want it more like a soup, you can add in another 8 ounces of salsa verde. Number 3, keep it in the fridge where it should last around 4 to 5 days. The winner of our last testing your guesstimating for the chips was bang! Congrats to you. For this week's testing your guesstimating, we're going with 1 full meal prep container full of our recipe. Guess how much you think it weighs in grams in the comments below. The first one closest to it will win a gift card to our store where you can purchase a shirt, shaker, or anything else you want. 1 guess per person. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.